Want to give your shower a fresh, stylish update? Here are some creative ideas to inspire your next bathroom project. Give your shower a modern look with an industrial-style door. A matte black sliding shower door adds on-trend style to any bathroom. For a sleek, minimalist vibe, opt for a doorless shower by installing a fixed panel instead. It creates a clean, open feel without sacrificing splash control. If you have a walk-in shower, consider adding a freestanding bathtub inside the enclosure. It creates a bold statement and makes it easy to clean up after a soak. If you're building a new shower or remodeling, consider adding built-in shelves or niches for storage. They'll keep essentials handy and add visual interest to the shower. Or add shower seating for a practical and luxurious upgrade. Go with a built-in bench for a high-end look or a wall-mounted seat for comfort and convenience. A new shower curtain is a small upgrade that can make a big impact. Try a floor-to-ceiling curtain to give your space a more sophisticated look. Upgrade your shower experience and add multiple shower heads. Choose a rainfall-style shower head, one with a handheld option, or one with body jets for a spa-like feel. Let your personality shine through with a fun shower tile. Try glass tile in your shower to add shimmer and color to the bathroom. Or mix and match tile styles. Try contrasting colors, textures, or sizes to elevate the entire room. Whether you're doing a simple refresh or a full remodel, these ideas can help you create a shower you'll love.